Hello and welcome to Innisfil Eye Care. The Ministry of Health has now allowed optometrists to resume routine care of their patients and reopen. This is excellent news. We are taking our responsibility to your health as our primary concern. To that end, we have introduced some important changes to keep patients, staff, and the community safe. We have installed breast shields on certain equipment. We will also be limiting how many patients we see in a day to maximize social distancing and safety. We will be doing extensive sanitizing in the office continuously throughout the day, including all frames before and after they are tried on. We ask that all patients wear masks when coming to the office. We will also screen and do basic case history over the phone beforehand to best utilize your time in the office. Telehealth will also be an option for some conditions. Welcome back, and we look forward to seeing all our current patients as well as our new patients.